Deep vs. Heart isn't trying to change your mind. Netflix docuseries Deep vs. Heart doesn't follow the standard true crime playback. There aren't any promises of exclusive interviews or never before seen footage. There's no voice over backstory, no hot mic confession, and no stunning revelations. With its bare bones found footage, feel the series doesn't even attempt to give us more insight into Johnny Depp or Amber Heard, the famous former sweethearts whose public strugglers, both during their marriage and after it, have been fodder for countless hours of coverage and commentary. Instead, the series attempts a contradictory trick, encouraging us to bring its 3 episodes about the 2022 civil trial between the two actors, while prodding us to question why we care about the trial in the first place. To do that, it presents footage from the televised and live-streamed trial, interspersed with of emotional online commentary and actions from TikTok and YouTube users, as well as broadcast commentary from experts. Other than an occasional black screen with a line of law and order as expository text, the series makes no accessories of its own and speaks only through assembled second and third party footage. It's an unusual tactic and one that seemed to leave viewers in the UK, where Deep vs. Heart aired on Channel 4 in May, scratching their heads. Where are the experts? Where are the commentary? Tweeted one. The series drops on Netflix in the US on August 16, but that's not the sort of documentary BAFTA-nominated director Emma Cooper set out to make. I was trying very hard to not have people watching and thinking who should have won. Cooper said the verdict is the verdict. Her goal instead, she says, was to look at the discourage around the trial and to compare it to the trial footage itself. Heard and Depp's respective claims aren't the focus here. It's the claims about the claims that Cooper sought to interrogate. Depp and Heard met in 2009 when she was cast in the Depp vehicle The Rome Diary, a film adaptation of Hunter S. Thompson's novel. By 2014, the pair were engaged. They married the following year. Depp was 51, Heard was 28. In May of 2016, Heard filed for divorce and requested a temporary restraining order against Depp due to alleged abuse. She withdrew that request 3 months later when the former couple reached a $7 million divorce settlement. Vanity Fair reached out to representatives for Depp and Heard for comment on the docuseries. Our relationship was intensely passionate and, at times, volatile, but always bound by love, Depp and Heard said in a joint statement at the time of the settlement. Neither party has made false accusation for financial gain. There was never an intent of physical or emotional harm. Amber wishes the best for Johnny in the future. In late 2018, Heard penned an op-ed for the Washington Post that said, 2 years ago I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, but did not mention Depp by name. Depp sued Heard for $50 million, claiming the opinion piece defamed him, and Heard counter-sued for $100 million, saying Depp and his spokesperson had also sought to defame her.